Hello students, today I am explaining you Ujju curves. So there are two types. One is a less than cumulative frequency Ujju curve and second one is a more than cumulative frequency less the cumulative frequency Ujju curve. And now I am explaining this less than cumulative frequency Ujju curve. So based on this I taken one problem about the marks and number of students. The marks are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And the second one, number of students are 7, 10, 23, 51, 6 and 3. These two columns are given in our question. Here we need to make three columns like this. The first one is what? UB, it is a upper boundary. And the LCF, it is a less than cumulative frequency. And the last one is what? White. See, here in this class, the left side value is called a lower limit or lower boundary, and it is a upper limit or upper boundary. And it is also, these all are what? Left side values are called lower limits or lower boundaries. The right side values are called what? Upper limits, or we can say upper boundaries. Here we need upper boundary. So then I'm going to take the values this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So it is a less than cumulative frequency. For this, write the first frequency value as it is. These are the frequency values. And this 7 is added with the next frequency value. And it will be 17. Again, 17 plus 23 is what? 40. 40 plus 51 is 91. 91 plus 6, 97. 97 plus 3 is what? 100. And the next we make a point. So it is what? 10 comma 7, 20 comma 17, and this is 30 comma 40, 40 comma 91 and 50 comma 97. Here it is 60 comma 100. The point. So x coordinate I taken as boundary and y coordinate I taken as cumulative frequency. So now I am going to plot these points on graph. Now I am plotting the points on graph. See, this horizontal line is called what? X-axis. This vertical line is what? Y-axis. On X-axis I taken 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. On Y-axis also I taken 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So here the first point is 10 comma 7. On X-axis 10 and Y-axis what? 7. 7 is below 10. 20 comma 17. On x-axis 20 and y-axis what? 17. Here it is below 20. Below 20. 30 comma 40. On x-axis 30, y-axis 40. X-axis 30 and y-axis what? 40. So this is the point. And next this one is 40 comma 91. X-axis 40 and y-axis what? 91. So this is what? 90. Just above of this is 91. And next 50 comma 97. On x-axis 50 and y-axis what? 97. So below 100. On x-axis 60, y-axis what? 100. just above this. Now we have to join these points. So this is what 10 comma 7. This point is 10 comma 7, and this point is 20 comma 17, and this is 30 comma 40, and this point is 40 comma 91, and this is 50 comma 97, and this the last one is a 60 comma 100. So this is a less than frequency. This is the less than cumulative frequency Auger curve. And here we write the scale is what? On x-axis I taken 10 unit. On y-axis also I taken 10 unit. That is a scale that should write compulsory. So without writing that is a scale, the graph is incomplete. Okay. This is second question. Draw more than cumulative frequency Auger curve. The question, the given production yield and number of farmers. The production yield 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. And number of farmers 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 60. These two columns given in question. And here we need 3 more boxes or 3 more columns. The first one is a lower boundary, and it is a more than cumulative frequency, and the last one is what? Point. So first we write the lower boundaries. So I told you already which are the left side values are there, that are the lower boundaries, and which are right side, that are the upper boundaries. So here we need a lower boundaries. That's what I am writing. Left side values 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. And next we need a more than cumulative frequency. So for this we write the last frequency value as it is. And this 16 is added with next frequency from down. So 16 plus 38 is what? Is a 14, and 4, 5, 54. Again 54 plus 24. 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7. Is what? 78. Now the 78 is added with 12. It's 80 and 90. 90 plus 8 is what? 98. 98 plus 2 is 100. So for less than cumulative frequency, we are adding from up to down, and for this more than cumulative frequency, we add from down to up. So that only difference is there. And next we add the point. For the point, write 50 comma 100. So x coordinate take as lower boundary, and y coordinate is a more than cumulative frequency value. And next it is what? 55 comma 98, 60 comma 90, 65 comma 78, 70 comma 54, and it is what? 75 comma 60. So after we are writing these points, that plotting these points on graph. Now I am plotting the points on graph. The first point is a 50 comma 100. So 50 is from x-axis and this 100 is from y-axis. So 50 comma 100, this is the point. 55 on x-axis 55, y-axis is what? 98. Just down of 100. And next 60 comma 90. 60 comma 90, 65 comma 78, 65 comma 78. So this is below 80, below 80, and 70 comma 54, 70 comma 54. So above 50. And next 75 comma 16 is below 20. Now we have to join these points. So this point is what? 50 comma 100, and this is what? 55 comma 98, and this is 60 comma 90, and it is 65 comma 78, and this is 70 comma 54, and it is 75 comma 16. So this the curve is called what? More than cumulative frequency Ogive curve. And at the scale x-axis is equals to taken 5 units, and on y-axis we taken 10 units. 10 units. So x-axis is 5 units and y-axis is what? 10 units. Now this is the third question. I am going to draw both the Ogive curves. That is what? Less than cumulative frequency curve and more than cumulative frequency curve. Both the curves I am going to draw in on same graph. See, the question is given scores and number of candidates. Scores are 400 to 450, 450 to 500, 500 to 550, 550 to 600, 600 to 650, 650 to 700, 700 to 750, 750 to 800. And number of candidates given that 20, 35, 40, 32, 24, 27, 18, 34. So next we need, so for this portion is a less than cumulative frequency. For that we need upper boundary and less than cumulative frequency and point. And it is what? More than cumulative frequency. For this we need a lower boundary and more than cumulative frequency, and the last one is what? Point. Now upper boundary. So I said you already, upper boundary is what? What are the right side values are there in the class interval are called what? Upper boundaries. Here it is 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800. Next we write the less than cumulative frequency. For this, write the first frequency as it is, and next we have to add the 20 with the next frequency value is 35. 20 plus 35 is what? Is a 55. 55 plus 40 is what? 95. After 95 plus 32 is 127. Again 127 plus 24 is 151. Again 151 is added with 27 is 871 is what? 178. After 178 is added with 18 and it is a 16, 819, 196. Again 196 is added with 34, we get is what? 230. And next write the points. Is what? 450 comma 20 and 500 comma 55, 550 comma 95, 600 comma 127, 650 comma 151, 700 comma 178, 750 comma 196, 800 comma 230. Now next it is a lower boundary. Lower boundaries are what? This left side values 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750. And for more than cumulative frequency, we have to add from down to up. So first frequency value is what? 34. So 34 is added with 18 is 52. The 52 is added with 27, 9 and it is 2, 9 and it is 7, 79. After 79 is added with 24 is a 10, 103, 103. After 103 is add 32, 135. 135 plus 40, 175. 175 plus 35 is 210. 210 plus 20, 230. 230. After that, write the points. 400, comma 230, and this is 450, comma 210, 500, comma 175, 550, comma 135, 600, comma 103, and 650, comma 79, 700, comma 52, 750, comma 34. And next, plot this point, these 2 points and graph paper. Now I am plotting the points and graph. So this is x-axis and this vertical line is what? Y-axis. Y-axis. On x-axis I have taken boundaries, upper boundary and lower boundary, because I am going to draw both the curves. And on y-axis I taken a less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency, so both the frequencies. So here the first point is 400, comma 20. This 400 is on x-axis, this 20 is on y-axis. So here it is 450, comma 20. Next 500, comma 55. 500, comma 55 is below 60. 550, comma 95. So 95 is below 100. Next 600, comma 127. 600, comma 127. 650, comma 151. 650, comma 151 is below 160. 700, comma 178. 700, comma 178. 178 is below 180. 750, comma 196. 750, comma 196 is below 200. 200. 800, comma 230. 800, comma 230. So 230 is below 240. Now we join these points. Yes. So this is the less than cumulative frequency curve. And this is the point is what? 450, comma 450 comma 20, and this is 500 comma 55, and it is 550 comma 95, and this is 600 comma 127, and 650 comma 151, 700 comma 178, 750 comma 196, 800 comma 230. And next plotting point is 450 comma 210. 450 comma 210. This 210 is a below 250. Next 500 comma 175. 500 is on x-axis and 175 is on y-axis. 175 is below 180. 550 comma 135. 135 and 600 comma 103. 600 comma 103. So 103, 103 is just above 100. 650 comma 79. 650 comma 79 is below 80. 700 comma 52. 700 comma 52 is below 60. 750 comma 34. 750 comma 34 is below 40. Now join these points. Yes. Write the pointer. The first point is what? 450 comma 210. And this is 500 comma 175. And this is 550 comma 135. And this is 600 comma 103. And this is 650 comma 79, and this one 700 comma 52, and the last one 750 comma 34. And this is the curve of the more than cumulative frequency Ogive curve, and both the curves less than and more than cumulative frequency curves I draw on the same graph. And don't forget to write the scale. On x-axis I taken 50 units. On y-axis I taken 20 units.